Hello, my butterflies. Today's video is going to be a gingerbread inspired tutorial. So to start off with, I'm going to go in with the ColourPop Not a Box of Chocolates eyeshadow palette. And I've already primed my eyes and done my brows off camera as usual. So we're just going to jump right in. And first we're going to be using this eyeshadow brush from e.l.f. Cosmetics. And I'm going to be using Amaret. I don't have no idea how to say that. I apologize. Peanut butter brittle and champagne truffle in the inner corner. So first we're going to go in with Amaret. And then next I am going to go in with my, I got something in my eye. Next I'm going to go in with my NYX glitter primer. I'm going to put that over that first shade. Then we're going to go in with the Morphe M506 brush, and I'm going to go in with Peanut Butter Brittle. And then I'm going to go in with my... Nope, that's not what I want. I'm going in with a small precision brush, and I'm going to be putting champagne truffle in the inner corner. And underneath the brow bone. Then moving on, we are going to go in with the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer in Fair Rose. I'm just going to get my Beauty Blender damp. And this is from the Ulta Beauty Walt Disney World collection. And then next we are going to go in with the e.l.f. Flawless Satin Foundation in Buff. And I'm going to go in with my foundation brush from e.l.f. Where is my mirror? Actually, I'll just use my phone. It's good enough. And then we are going to go in with, come back here, you. Then we're going in with the e.l.f. contour palette. What to spell? Alright, e.l.f. contour palette. Third shade to use, I get to bronzer. Oh, my nose. My nose. Then we're going to take the Harry Potter Hufflepuff Fourth Way Beauty Lip Balm. Then we are going in with the Cream Luxe lipstick in Ganache Queen. If I can get it open. And for our, to make it look like we have some frosting, I'm going to grab my Hocus Pocus 2 Find the Book Shimmering Body Powder. And we are going in with my highlighter brush from e.l.f. Oh, I forgot mascara. Ugh. Hey, we do not scratch at the door. Get in here. Sorry, Tyson wanted in. We're trying to teach him not to scratch at our furniture or the doors. And we are going to be using the Essence Lash Princess False Lash Effect Waterproof Mascara. And because it's looking a little bare, I want to go in with the small angled brush from e.l.f. and I'm going to take a different brown and use it for eyeliner. So we're going to be using Crazy for Cocoa. And I'm just going to clean up this fallout. And that completes this. Actually, no, we're going to set this in place with the Stay All Day Blue Light Micro Setting Mist from e.l.f. And that completes this look. I hope you all enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell to be notified about everything that happens here on my channel. I hope you all have a beautiful, wonderful day, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye, butterflies!